So, good morning, class. Today's topic is intelligent agent, and we will see how intelligent agent is work, and what is environment, what is agent, how sensors work, what is actuator, yeah, or what is the action or efforts. We can say that if we are talking about a normal human being, like you can see here, if we are talking about human being as an agent, so how we will do or we will take any action. So we will take any action regarding the environment we have. Like environment, if we are talking about, we can say that we have the situation, we have some situation. According that situation, we will think something, we will get some idea, or we have some previous knowledge about that, and according that we will take action. Like in early morning we wake up, so if we have to like brush our teeth, what we will do, we will go get the paste, put that paste on our brush, and then we will start brushing our teeth. And after that we have a, like we have an environment or we have a situation, like we have to brush our teeth, like we have get that problem from the environment, like we have to go to the college or we have to go to the university. So what we will do, we have to first we woke up and we have to brush our teeth. So what we will do, we have a situation here. So for that situation, what we will do, we will take our brush and then we will take paste, and then we will do some action on it, and after that we will have some output. So output is that we have brush our teeth, and now we are ready for taking our next action. Okay, so we have some any kind of problem. So if a human being think like that, so if a machine also think like that, for that we are using agents. So this agent is also known as the intelligent agents. So it is, we can say that, a code of program, or it is a some set of rules and regulation. It may be using some algorithm, or it may be using a simple code. So as we have some we have getting some environment, so machine also getting some environment, like some challenge or something which the problem machine have to solve, like a human can solve that. Okay, so human have different types of sensory organs. So if a machine have to understand the environment, it also needs some sensory organ, or it also needs some input. From that input can be processed by the agent program, and it provides some action or some effort, do some effort on that, and provide us some solution or some change of situation. So like we have to give some problem. So we have a robot here, and we tell that robot, or we have programmed that robot, so you don't have to cross a particular line. So to getting that, we have get a problem from the environment, that we don't have to cross the line. So for that, how a robot or know that I don't have to cross that line. So using the sensors, he will getting that data in his memory, and it will process that data, that they will follow the line, and it is taking some action. So it is changing the environment, it is going from one position to another position using that line. So to knowing that line is where that line is drawn. So this information is getting from the sensor, or we can know that, we can say that it is now it is getting information from the sensors, that there is a line. So what action on taking on that line, it is agent have pre-programmed, or it will do something in previously. So how a agent react on a particular problem on behalf of historical data, or behalf of current situation, and or we can say that the data it is getting from its sensor, it acts on and behave on that input from current situation or historical data, or the data according to their sensor getting from the environment. Okay, so then after that, if it is taken decision, some action is going over on the environment, like a movement. Like if someone told us hello. So what we will do, we will getting a problem of environment like hello. So our sensors, like we hear that sound hello and we react on that sound. So we make handshake with that person, so some action is going on, like we are moving our hand. So if like same situation from an environment, a machine get any problem or any situation, so like machine have to move from one place to another place, so it will get a situation from the environment that someone tell that machine move forward. So move forward is a environment, or it check for environment for moving forward. Okay, so forward is a problem for the machine, so machine get that data from the sensor, like we telling move forward. So move forward, it is taken from some sensors, or machine listen that sensor and it is convert that data in a form of machine understandable language. Then machine takes on that data and machine process that data, and then action performed by the machine, so it is moving forward. Okay, so we can say that our intelligent agents work according to the environment on the base of their historical data or current situation, or based on their sensors. Okay, now we will see the working of intelligent agents, how it will work. Okay, so we have discussed that we have an environment situation, we have a problem statement here, so we are sending this problem statement to the agent. Okay, so agent understand that situation or that problem using the sensors. Okay, so sometime it will take some sensor, or some take some like extra uh, processing unit, or agent cannot manipulate or cannot take action on some amount of large amount of data. So maybe it is possible that it will send that data to their interconnecting part or somewhere, like if it's using the IoT, if this system is using IoT, then it may be think that some IoT box also here, like we have internet, and it will taking help from the internet agent, getting some environment, and this is going searching for solution from the entire internet and getting some data from the internet with the help of programs, and then making on decision on that particular problem. And after that it is taking some action. It action may be a physical action or maybe a virtual action. Okay, so it is and again then sending to that data to the environment. So there is some problem statement, and after the processing all these mm, like all these boxes, for using the sensors, using the memory, and using making some decision, take some action, and give that action again back to the environment. So this type of working model of intelligent agent work. Okay, now intelligent agent based on like PEAS. Okay, P's. So P stand for performance, E stand for environment, A means action, and S means sensor. So it perform according environment some action using sensor. So these are the basic group of an agent. If we are talking about an agent, then it having this kind of like problem solving ability. It performs something. It have some understanding about the environment. It has perform some action. It using some sensor, or it using any other like memory unit or calculation unit to solve that problem. Okay, so it is not necessary that a agent must have like a physical device, like a robot or like a humanoid. So it is not necessary. Like we have different example, like we have example of Google Assistant, we have example of Siri. So they also, we can say that they also are the intelligent agents. Okay class. I hope you understand.